And action. How's everybody doing tonight? We are ready to get down and dirty. Y'all know where we at, Wild Horse Pass Motorsports Park out here in Ahwatukee, Chandler, Phoenix, whatever it may be. I believe it's Phoenix. I got here super early, actually representing Arizona Riders Club for as media today, which is first.
Arizona Riders Club, ride with us.
I'm very proud. We're making a lot of progress. We are focusing on sales. Everybody knows that. So hit up the website, arizonaridersclub.com, for all your merch and your pre-owned vehicles. Tonight is going to go down. I just came out here to the Coliseum before the mayhem pursues. Wanted to tap in with you, touch base with you. It's T with Arizona Riders Club. Bring out your dead. The bill collector. Just prepping. We know it's gonna happen sooner or later, right? All right, y'all, it's T with the Arizona Riders Club. Ride with us.